This video is to document some trouble I've had in testing with the Aurum CAD6 cable. I had got a 12 pack of the 12 footers, and I also had gotten the 1.5 footers. What I found is the 1.5 footers all tested bad, while the 12 footers all tested well. They all show splits. And this is the description from the regular cable. So they look like they have the same kind of marking, but it must be how they did the ends. So anyway, let's show what the testing looks like. So if I place this 12-foot cable into my tester, I will show, I'll test under voice. And you see that that passes. I go under data. And that also has that also passes. And now I'll go to the 1.5 length. I placed the 1.5 length in, and you can see that there is a split in the data in 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. Then I go to voice. And there's also a split between 1 and 6. So this cable has identical markings on the side. If you look at the marking of the cable, it has the same CAD6 250 megahertz. So I'm not sure what the problem is.